What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick Wavy. I'm back with a new video. Now today I need to go fix my boy Danny's hair. Now he had a messed up haircut, lineup, tapered. It's all bad. He called me, he's like, yo, Nick, I need you to save my life right now. I'm like, don't worry, I got you, bro. And he's actually the first Wavy merch brand ambassador, so I can't have him walking around with some bummy hair, bro. Like, come on, bro. All right, y'all, so let me introduce you to my boy Danny. Now, this is the first official Wavy merch ambassador, all right? This guy reminds me of myself.
My guy.
When I was grinding as a youngin', right? So I'm glad to have him a part of the team. But you know when you're part of the team, bro, you can't have jacked up lineups. So I tried to get him to show me what his hair was looking like before, but he said it had to be a surprise. So we're all about to get shocked right now.
It gotta be a surprise. No one has seen this other than like 4 of my friends.
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm trying to see this. So wait. When did you get this cut?
Probably like 3
weeks ago?
4 weeks ago.
4 weeks ago? Okay, let's see what we're dealing with.
I've been depressed ever since. No one has seen me without a do-rag, I promise you.
Nobody.
Like 4 people. Nick, he blasted me.
Bro, it's not even that bad.
What?
Bro, it's not even that bad.
This is bad, bro.
Nah,
you see how far back it got pushed?
Wait, let me go this way. Like right here.
Oh, you're doing close-ups.
Hey, y'all gotta post in the comment section. Is this bad or not? I don't.
What would you do if your barber did this to you? Look how far back that is. Would you pay? Let me know.
Yeah, would y'all pay? Like now I look close. I definitely see that he went a little far back.
A little?
Yeah, it's a little. Like it's not that bad. Like I would say let that grow back though, to be honest, because like he did go kind of high on the curve.
Yeah.
So I would definitely say just let me trim it, because your hair is still kind of cut in itself, you know. So before we start cutting, you gotta comb. I'll comb it for you. I'll brush it for you, and we'll get the waves popping out, and it'll be easier to go with the grain. You want me to go with the grain, right?
It doesn't matter what you do.
Yeah. So
as long as I look better.
Yeah, for sure. You definitely look cleaned up, that's for sure. All right, y'all, let's get into this. Stress, bro. The way you sat down in that chair, you're like, yo.
These are hard times, bro.
Other than that, you're wavy, though. I can tell you've had your rag on so long.
So long.
I'm going to start out with, let me grab that comb. So I'm going to start out combing his hair, lifting it all up, because he's had his rag on for a very long time, as you see. And then I'm going to brush it all with this pattern. And then we'll see how the hair is lifted. Like if it's really lifted up, I'll probably go with the grain.
That's about to kill me.
So your crown is right here.
Is it your first time cutting somewhere?
Nah.
You lying.
Nah, bro. If it was, I'd be nervous.
You are nervous.
How am I nervous? This guy thinks I'm nervous. This is the only cut like I'm very confident in doing, is cutting waves. Yeah, so as you can see, everything is combed out. And tilt your head back a little bit. Yeah, you can see I opened up his crown right there. Most of our hair is going like a spiral. So as you can see, now that it's opened up, he knows exactly where his crown is. So he's gonna be able to brush from in here. And that's how you get a tight crown. If you look close, right, you can see it kind of swirls out. So you have to start your brush strokes from in here and go around. So up to the top, come down here like this, come down here like this, come down here like this, down here, come to the side a bit, come to the top, and there you go. And that's a closed crown right there. All right, y'all, so we got the Wavy merch, Alaska Ice. And we're just gonna follow his pattern with the grain. So sometimes trying to find the angles are a little hard. That's where you have to start vertical brushing. So as you can see, the vertical is getting all in his crown, right? When I go wide, that's when I'm not really focusing on the crown. I just focus on the waves. So do my brush session. see his pattern here kind of comes down like this, so you need to look from the crown and start hitting that down. You can see the waves are here and they're all pretty much laid down, but the crown is where it gets a little, you can tell it's not being brushed as much. So you gotta start crown brushing. Alright y'all, so throughout my wave journey, I realized that you really need to use both hands when you're brushing, because what Denny likes to do, he likes to use his right hand and hit his right side, but then when he does that, he can't reach over and hit his back left. So that's why you have to start using your left hand, and you're able to hit all angles of your head. And I'm sure if he were to look in the mirror right now, he would realize that his hair is complete. Like, he can see his crown and he knows exactly where he needs to brush. The hardest part is finding your crown, but once you find your crown, it's a lot easier to get away. Let me show y'all my crown. So my crown is somewhere here and it all opens up. It opens up my whole head and I know exactly how I need to brush. So okay, look at this guy's wavy. Okay, that's how you're feeling. Okay, so I'm gonna go 2 with the grain. If it doesn't cut a lot, I'm gonna close it. If it doesn't cut a lot, I'm gonna go 1 open. So we'll see. All right, y'all, so a 2, I don't think a 2 is cutting that much. You want more than that, right?
I don't even know what
I'm not cutting anything. Yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna close the guard. What do you usually get your hair cut with?
Probably like a 1.5.
1.5? So that's like a 1 with the green. This right here is just a trim. It's not cutting a lot of hair, but it's cleaning you up, especially with the grain. So it really makes your waves. That's how I got my waves deep. My last 2 cuts were just trims. One thing I want you guys to notice is his crown. You can clearly see it. It's right here. You can see his waves need to lay down here. They need to lay down here, 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 and just like that, because he already has waves all around his head, so he doesn't need to worry about that. But a lot of people, even myself included, the weak spot is the crown. But like, if you have a crown, that's when you're super serious. So you can see his crown is right here, and that's the hardest part. The hardest part is finding your crown, but once you find it, everything comes in a lot easier. So it's about to get real for you, bro.
I hope so. I hope so.
Now you're gonna be good after this for sure. So as you can see, it's just a 2 with the grain. It didn't cut a lot, so it's kind of like a trim. Do you want to go lower?
Yeah, a little
Yeah,
bit
so
more.
we'll go lower. So I'm gonna go 1 with the grain. So I'm gonna go 1 with the grain, and that's gonna definitely make it look more like a fresh cut. So we switch guards. All right, y'all. So we got the 1 guard, and we're gonna go a little lower. I'm not going from the crown. It's because the crown is always a thinner spot. Just following the grain, following his wave pattern.
Yo, his hair, I was like, yo, there's a mosquito on me. Okay,
I wish I had a cape.
so good. You'll buy me a new white tee back.
Alright, so as you guys can see, this is like a perfect length. His hair is still curly. You're not really seeing so much bald spots from like when you get a fresh cut. You can see your scalp and stuff. So your hair is still thick and it's still cut, and it definitely looks already cleaner, bro. You can already go to the club, bro. I don't even gotta give you a lineup, bro.
I cannot go to the club, bro. I cannot go to the club.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna focus on this cut and I'm just gonna show you guys what the finished product looks like, but you have a general idea of how I'm doing it. Alright, y'all, so I went over the hair with a 1 He's wavy. I'm actually impressed by this cut. I might have to be like a professional wave cutter only.
How much for a booking?
$100, bro.
Price gotta go up a little bit. This cut better be fire, man. I could go outside with no do-rag, no hat?
Yeah.
Hell no. Hell no, I got like 2 more weeks. Ladies, if you want to be my hairbrusher, I will pay you.
Jeez. How much bread you breaking?
I don't know, $7 an hour.
$7 an hour.
What's minimum wage?
Where? In Canada or New York?
In Kansas.
Yo, I think it might be like $12 or something.
So 7 is valid.
7? Alright, ladies, you heard the man.
$7 an hour.
Different?
I feel different, son.
Yeah, your waves are looking deep, bro. I was telling this guy he must be light skinned.
Dark skin, king dark skin.
So yeah, we're not gonna touch the lineup. We're not gonna do a taper because we're just gonna let it grow back. Because if I could fix it, but as you can see close up, like it's just one line right here, and then I'll have to blend this all up, and then I'll take away from some of his waves. And you can see the last cut, the barber took away some of the waves around here because he went pretty high with the taper. So, it's all bad, huh? Shook his head.
Tried to have me caged up.
Yeah, but you can see, tilt your head back a little bit. Yeah, this way, yeah. So as you can see, his crown is right here, and he needs to start hitting the waves here, 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 all around the crown. So I have it all laid out for him. Just a little cleanup, just trimmed off the excess waves that he had, and now he's ready to go to the club with or without a lineup. It doesn't even matter.
You think so?
Yeah, but you can step out.
Question, Nick. Who the hell is gonna clean up that hair on the floor?
Yo, if you have a broom, I'll clean it. That's no problem. That's no problem.
Gonna have a heart attack.
But yo, the real question is, we gotta get this man in the mirror. He needs to take a look at it and see how he feels about it. So, let's go, y'all.
Let me bring my phone. I might not be feeling it. We never know. Okay. It looks better than before.
Yeah.
Looks better than before. We'll be alright. Lineup's gonna come back soon, for real.
Yeah, ASAP.
I hope so. I hope so, bro.
So, you happy with the cleanup?
I'm happy. Free cleanup, can't complain. You know what I mean?
Didn't go too crazy with it. Just give it a little cleanup. I do want to give you a cut one time though, cause like now I've actually cut someone with waves. Like I'm comfortable with doing it. So
next time I come back, it's a cut then.
Yeah, hell yeah.
My God.
All right, y'all. So this is the first Wavy merch ambassador. Y'all,
and I'm about to take the Benz for a spin right now on the camera.
Nah, he's pushing it. He's pushing it.
We out.
This guy's crazy. Let me show y'all my waves real quick, yo. Y'all know I'm still wavy, right?
This guy here.
Y'all know. Show them outside, but let me get some natural sunlight. Let me get some natural light.
Okay.
You know?
How does it feel to be Nick Wavy?
Feels awesome, man. Every day I wake up, I say, thank God. God bless. You know? But I gotta work on my left side. My left side is my weak point.
Gotta work right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
All over.
Of course, there's always work to be done.
Always work to be done.
Always, you know? But everything is just a process, y'all. So make sure y'all smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. If you guys think I should travel around the world into different cities or people in my city and give them a wave cut, post that in the comment section down below. Let me show Denny's cut one more time. Let me get you in the sunlight, bro. Step down one more. Yeah. Okay, crown is right here. I know, like, you guys can look at this cut right now and you can see the potential. It could get real crazy. Platform is there. It's about to become serious. Okay. Alright, y'all. Catch y'all in the next video.
Yeah.